Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Did you hear the oven sound? The oven is in power, and I am cooking some New York cheesecake. I will see if it is good. If it is good, I will do a video to show you the process. I am not sure. The other day I went to a supermarket, and I will tell you the story later. I went to San Francisco and I was hungry. So it's lunchtime. I bought a cheesecake, and it was so very delicious. I always like cheesecake. I like creamy like cake, and that cheesecake is very good. So I came back home and searched the recipe and made my own cheesecake. Maybe later on you will take a look. And that cheesecake is made from my Greek yogurt, or made from this kind of yogurt, drained yogurt. Now let's take a look at it. First, let me put it back in the refrigerator. In one day, it will be good to use. Okay, we take a look at the cheesecake. And yeah, that is it. It's still cooking, so I do not open up the door. Let it cook, and we will continue to do our cooking. Okay, so that yogurt overnight, and this one is actually 2 nights, so it's relatively even more drained. I will make tartar sauce with it. You can make it into sweet, such as cream cheese, such as a cheesecake. You can make it a salty, savory. That is tartar sauce. I do not use other things. I use this one. Let me have my little tools. Okay, this one. Please excuse me for my unpreparedness. I am not very sorry. So I will first make a tartar sauce, and this tartar sauce will use some the other way around. We'll use some spice. So this one is caper and some cornichon. That's a lot of them. 5 pieces of cornichon. And then I can blend it. If you like to put other things that needs to be blend, you can do so. And it's time to say hello. A little bit salt just to say hello. A little bit cumin seed. Hello. A little bit mustard seed. Hello. A little bit pepper. Hello. So these are the ingredients we want to blend. Now, this will be noisy. Okay, that should be sufficient. We can do it a little bit even further. Show you. Okay, I just realized I didn't press the button to do the recording. Okay, let me do it again. So I put one big heap spoonful of Dijon Moudard fin et fort. This is quite strong. And I put some Whataburger picante sauce. And then I put some mayonnaise. I have only 2 mayonnaise from Costa Rica. Does not have to be Costa Rica. It's whatever you have, right? And then we blend it. And that is our sauce. So it's sweet, sour, and you can eat it just straight like that. That is no any. There is milk in it, but otherwise it's there's no meat in it. And if you like, oh, that's good. Let me try it. A little bit more ketchup. This is a little bit miserable. We do not have ketchup at home. Okay, now let me taste it. Oh my goodness, that is not bad. It's quite edible. I want to make it a little bit more picante. Picante. So that's it. Now we mix in tuna. Not yet ready to put all of them in. We will leave a little bit. Let's try the tuna. Tuna, come on in. Tuna with oil. And this one, this way you blend them together and it's completely, wow, this is good. Maybe a little bit more tuna. You get the idea. You decide how much you want to put in. And the more you blend it, the fiber comes out, becomes more homogeneous. make a toast. If you are running short of toast, you can use biscuit, cookie, cracker, anything like that. A little bit of cumin. See, it becomes so smooth. Bon appetito. Let me try it. Look at it. So smooth. It is good. Can be a little bit more spicy if you are into spice. Chirasa sauce or barbecue sauce. Why not? Did we say we want to clean up the house? Right? If we said so, we are doing so. Let's see. Just clean it up. The more things you put in, the more flavor, the more complicated flavor it has. Bon appetito. It is good. So, if you want to clean up your house, this is the way to do it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goo, bye-bye. Oh my goodness, let's take a look at the cheesecake. Oh wow. I think it is good. Yeah. I will turn the fire down. Okay. We are about to take it out and I want to show you. Look at it. Oh, looks so good. Okay, I am stopping the fire. Oh, these are so good. I mean, stop the oven. Leave it inside for a couple of minutes.